everyone, it's JT here with INPHASE Car Audio, and we're going to do another one of our unboxing events. Today we have the brand new Sony XAV-9500ES just released at SEMA here recently. Let's open it up and see what we got. A couple of cool things I did notice. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless, and also Maestro. So it's a Maestro compatible Sony, which is pretty sweet, one of the first ones that's out there. Alright, manual, might come in handy on something that's huge and different. A couple of parts, microphone, GPS antenna, all your RCAs on one plug, USB-C, that's something that's new. Instead of a normal USB, it's got a USB-C cable, which is a lot different than some of the other radios, so kind of moving in the direction of doing new stuff. There's typical wire harness, and screws to put it all together, steering wheel control, remote wire, USB lock-in plate. Alright, cool, that's all the boring stuff. And then right on top, we've got this big, massive screen, 10.1 inches. Wow, look at that baby. That's my hand. That thing is huge. Let's get that off. Alright, got a little bit of a matte finish on it too, which probably help in some glare situations, which is pretty nice. So, and then of course it's got the singled-in chassis that's going to mount inside of your car, so you don't even have to have a doubled-in opening. A singled-in opening works great. This just mounts in there just like that. Good to go.